send you the video so that you have it to go through.
Okay.
Okay. So firstly, let me thank you for joining us, and let me give you my name and WhatsApp number, because we need a WhatsApp. We need a WhatsApp page that says Learnit. What? How do you pronounce that? What? Waldensia?
Waldensia.
Waldensia. Right.
Waldensia.
Yeah, Waldensia. Okay. Learnit Waldensia. What are we gonna call it? Solutions, whatever.
Okay, so that's the WhatsApp you're going to create.
Right. Just for us and you. Your school and me. Right. And the name is Joel Webb. Now, what is going to happen here is that I'm going to send you the video that we're doing this afternoon, right?
Right.
In addition to that, I am going to send you the videos to be able to do the processes that we're going to be going through this afternoon.
Okay, sir.
Right? And
yes, sir.
Okay, so this afternoon, so you're on for your first orientation with me, right?
Right, first, yes, sir.
Okay, wonderful. All right, so I'm going to start you off with, let me share my screen and do a brief PowerPoint here that is going to give you an idea of what we are trying to accomplish. Right, let us.
Mute your microphone. Sir.
Yes, we should mute those microphones. That's going to help us. All right.
Miss Campbell, your microphone. Oh. Miss Campbell. Sorry, Mr. Webb.
Yeah, that's all right.
Your microphone is not muted.
Okay. So I'm ready to go.
We're ready.
By God's grace here this afternoon, I'm ready to go. All right, good. Let me just move this floating control out of the way for the time being. All right, so we're talking about TLDL Teachnology, right? And you
Mr. Webb.
Hello?
1 minute. The computer that Mrs. Campbell is using is more projected, so the teachers can hear it more than my phone. So I'm going to close my microphone and allow everyone to listen through the computer, the laptop.
Exactly. That's the way it should be done.
Good. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Okay, but you're still going to be my lead person. So
no problem.
Okay, great. I can hear you well. So you're broadcasting over their mic as well. Okay, so it's touch, listen, do, learn it. And our focus here is on kindergarten through 6th graders, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have what is called the TLDL Teachnology, okay? I want to see, 1 second. Okay, let me show you a video here and we'll talk about it on the other side.
Good day and welcome to Patna River Estate Government Primary School. The principal and her administrative staff have embarked upon a journey to help increase the numeracy and literacy level of the school. Together they have partnered with Caribbean ebook Learnit and have brought technology to the classroom.
I am Cheryl Bigas. I was appointed as the principal of Patna River State Government Primary in 2009. One of the things that was disturbing was that all of us were appointed to schools that were listed as being academically underperforming schools, and hence they were all placed on academic watch. So one of the things I always wanted to see is technology in education, and there is where I was introduced to the Caribbean ebook Learnit system, and I'm really impressed with what has been happening since we have started using the system at our school.
My name is Mrs. Sherry Bridgman Akal, and I'm a teacher at the Patna River State Government Primary School. My principal approached me with the idea of the Caribbean ebook Learnit program, and I found it was such an amazing opportunity for the school that I certainly bought the program immediately. We started using the units whole school.
Connection problem.
But in all, we try reading, numeracy, science,
Okay, it's back.
mathematics, everything.
Okay.
And we found such a great improvement in the children's interest that I started using the tablet with children who were struggling, children who were in
Okay.
1 second, let me move this. Okay.
standard 2, and after being assessed, they were reading at infant 1 and infant 2 level, instructional level, that is. So we found that the programs on the Caribbean ebook Learnit website was so student friendly, so easy to load and so easy to accommodate to the needs of the students that we started using it with those children that were struggling. We found that after one term, children who could not read were reading and were recognizing sight words from the sight word list, the Dodge sight word list, automatically.
Our children are more engaged. Our teachers are even more so. The planning, the implementation, etc., has taken off on a different turn because the children are more engaged. We have children who are more regular at school. So when we go through what this system has to offer, we see the pluses for our children.
Okay. Now, very briefly, let me tell you what's happening here with Partner River Estate Primary School. They were on academic watch, which meant that the school was going to be closed and the children would have been sent to other schools in the area. Are you hearing me?
Right, clearly, yes, sir.
Okay, all righty, wonderful. And so I met Miss Biggest, the principal you just saw there, right?
Yes, sir.
And she explained to me what was happening at the school. We introduced them to Learnit, and she was able to get the community, the business community, to support the school. Let me tell you what happened briefly. In a matter of 2 years, Partner River Estate Government Primary School was #1 in their division and #4 across the entire island. All right, that is what happened. Okay, and this is what I am believing will happen to your school using similar tools. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What you're looking at here is the Learnit toolkit, and we're going to talk about that towards the end of the program, the end of the orientation. But I want you to see what it looks like, right? And
yes,
the toolkit is going to help you with your lesson plans so that you can really move these children forward. But in a nutshell, you see what's in it. All right, we'll talk about
yes,
that later. All right.
Right.
Okay. Now, we're telling you that your children, children in general, based on our experiences, right, could read proficiently, starting out without not even knowing the ABC. Right?
Yes, sir.
You can have them reading in 6 to 8 months. Some kids are doing it earlier. So we start at 4, you're reading by the time you're 4.5 years. You're start at 5, not reading, same thing, 6 to 8 months, right? But what is important here, in order to accomplish that, is that we follow the Learnit app sequence. I am at a school here, right?
Right.
I'm at a school here. These are 3rd graders in this school, and none of them were able to read. With the Learnit tablet, they were able to read in a matter of 3 months.
Wow.
Right? Because the focus here is sight words, and we're going to talk about that and how Learnit overcomes a lot of that. All right? Okay.
Yes.
Now, for the students, there are only 4 steps required for them to learn. It's touch, listen, do, and learn it. 10% of the success of Learnit is the students, 90% teachers. And what teachers really need to know is not a lot, right? And what we have designed is 4 hours of training, and it can be done as 4 1-hour sessions, or it can be done as 2 2-hour sessions, or 2 hour and 2 1-hour and 2 1-hour sessions. However, okay. And what Learnit does is that it empowers teachers to improve education equality for students who work below their grade levels. Right? Here is what we know. And in your school, it might be different. Tell me if that's the case, that you are designated to teach, for example, grade 4, right?
Okay.
And in your class, you have students at different abilities. Some
Right.
at 3rd, some at 2nd. Maybe not all the way to 1st, right? And here is where Learnit can make your life as a teacher so easy, so much easier, okay? Because you can modify your lessons with the use of the Learnit toolkit that I just showed you a little while ago to meet the needs of individual students. So you have children functioning at different levels, and you can actually have them on the same app, right?
Right.
Moving through very quickly because it's touch, listen, do, and learn. I have been into schools across the Caribbean, Jamaica, everywhere, right? Where I have been in special needs class, set up the tablets, bring those children, and teachers are saying, my goodness, how is that possible? You will have the same experience once you learn how to use the Learnit tablet, all right?
Right.
So that's what we're gonna work on, and that's not difficult. Now this afternoon, we're gonna focus on the reading app sequence, and we have 12 applications, right?
Okay.
Here's what we accomplished in this 6-month period, and some kids sooner. We introduced them to the letters of the alphabet, and you don't have to know the letters of the alphabet to start. All right? And once you follow this sequence,
you said they don't have to know it.
No, don't have to know nothing about no alphabet.
Okay.
All right? And we're going to show you how the app sequence works. All right? And A and B, you have for the intro to the 26 letters, they would construct letters of the alphabet. They will trace those letters, right? Number 2, they'll identify the letters. Number 3, they'll know letter sounds, right? Then they'll blend the letter sounds. And what are they going to be doing after that?
Pronounce words.
Right. And then if you're pronouncing words, what are you doing? You're reading, but now you got to practice.
Right.
You have to practice, right? Just like how you learn to drive. You got to practice.
Right.
Or how you learn to be a carpenter or mason. You have to practice. How you learn to write. You have to practice.
Practice, right?
Okay.
Right.
So these are the apps that we're going to be working with this afternoon.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to stop sharing, right? Because I want to see your tablet. Can I see the tablet?
Yes,
I want to know
sir.
which tablets you have.
Turn on the camera. Let me turn on this camera.
Yeah. Show me your tablet and where you are on your tablet. Okay.
Wait, sorry, it's upside. I'm sorry.
Okay. How come you don't have it in the screen in the protective cover?
Because we were trying to charge it.
No, but you charge it with the cover on.
All right. Let me get the cover on.
No, that's okay. That's okay. I was just asking why, but you can charge it with the cover on. Now, where in Jamaica are you?
Well, I'm in Trelawney. Yes, Trelawney.
Where's
in the Trelawney area.
Where's that in relation to Kingston or Mobile?
We're in the west.
Well, you gotta help me because I don't know. And somebody's eating my favorite fruit back there. And you should not have done, that to me. Pardon me?
We're nearer to Montego Bay.
Okay, you should not have done that to me because I'm here in Boston and I'm not getting to Jamaica for another 2 weeks. But mango that's my favorite fruit.
And it's mango time, you know.
I know. No lunch. I don't want nothing else for lunch. I want nothing else for breakfast and nothing else for dinner.
Just so the case is on.
Okay, good.
Right.
All right. Okay, so you're fully charged?
Let me see. Let me see. How can I know if this is fully charged?
Okay, all right. So let's go back now. So now I know which tablet you have. Okay,
Right.
good. I wanted to see the screen. So you are in Kids Place, right?
Right.
So stay right there. Where are the other tablets?
I know another teacher has there. Two is charging, but another teacher has one over there.
I mean, you come to the program without your tablet fully charged?
There's another tablet.
Okay, that's in Kids Place as well. Wait a while now. You have two. Let me see the back of your tablet. You have two different types of tablets.
Yes, I think so. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, the one that you have in your right hand, how many of those do you have?
Let me check. How many of these? Really?
Oh, I know what happened. That tablet that you were holding, Miss Morrison, that tablet was a sample tablet that came before those.
Oh, before these.
No, before that one, before number 3.
Right.
Right. The one you have in your right hand, the one you have in your right hand, that tablet is a genius of a tablet. Both of them got the same things on them. The difference is the tablet you're holding in your hand can operate like a phone. You can put 2 SIM cards into that tablet.
Oh.
Right? So if you don't have Wi-Fi, you can use data just like you do with your phone.
Oh.
So you can connect with Wi-Fi and data. So if there is no Wi-Fi, you put your SIM cards in. Now we redesigned that tablet because the other one you had, which is the older version, and it is also a smaller screen. The new one is 8 inches. That one is 7.
Yes.
Right. Okay. So I know what happened. That went to your school a long time ago before you got these. So you should have 11 tablets.
10.
You
10
got
tablets.
10. Okay,
Yes,
so you only gave you 9. So they should have given you 10. 10 of those. Yeah, you should have had 10 of them. That's okay. All right. So now I want you to work with that tablet. Both of them would do the same thing. But this one you have in your hand is a lot more advanced. It has a lot more RAM. It's faster. It's super duper.
Okay.
Right? I have the same one as you.
Okay.
Okay, good. So I am going to share my screen and show you, see if we are on the same pages. I'm going to show you a couple of options, couple of possibilities, I should say. All right, so let me share my screen. Let me share my screen.
When we come up. Oh. Sure. You go.
No, I'm not sharing.
The school show. And print screen. Okay, all right. All right. What you? You learn.
One second, what's going on here? Okay, are you seeing my screen?
Yes, I am. Yes, we are.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh boy, 1 second. Okay. Are you seeing my tablet?
Yes,
you
I'm
see
seeing your tablet. Right, we're on the same page.
Okay, all right. Now, if you look at the top, okay, are all the tablets like this where you could see Learnit, exit, and three dots that form a vertical line?
Yes, I see those 3 dots. Can you see on this one also?
Okay, make sure that they're on the others.
Oh, so ensure that you're on this one, teacher. This page.
So that you could see the 3 dots. Once you could see this, I want you to be able to see the 3 dots and you could see the exit.
Yes, yes. The 3 dots is close to the exit with a little folder in the
Okay,
middle.
right. What I want you to do is to touch exit. I want to take you out of kids' place. So touch exit.
Right. Missy, please enter 4-digit pin.
Right, and that pin is 7603. And we're recording anyway, so you'll be able to get that. Okay, then touch OK.
Right.
Now you might see this. You notice my screen has the keyboard and it's black. If you see that, what you have to do is just touch your on off button twice.
Well, I'm on that same page, right?
And then you'll be on this page. Okay, but just in case, because sometimes you will see that and we're recording that, so you'll be able to make a note of that.
Okay.
Right, so you'll see your keyboard and then you'll see the top portion of the screen black. Okay, now there is an icon here that says Kids Place. That should be on all of those tablets, right?
Yes, sir.
Touch Kids Place.
Loading Kids Place.
And
right.
then you're going to see these boxes here. These boxes here represent the 12 categories of material on your Learnit tablet. You got others, and we'll tell you what that is. Set that aside. Arts and music, dictionary, speaktionary, games, grammar, languages, notes, nursery, all of this is there. Did you know that?
Yes,
Did you know
sir.
that? Okay, good. All right. So now touch any one of those boxes. Anyone.
Language arts.
Okay. Anyone. And okay. Now you notice that, 1 second, let me show you something here. I am going to cheat. Okay. You notice that you have apps in all of your categories there, right?
Right. All right. Okay. On your screen.
No, on your tablet. Do you have apps in your tablets?
This is what I'm seeing on my tablet.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Let me just stop sharing. One brief second there. Let me just stop sharing and see what you got.
Oh.
Okay, let's see what you have. Okay, slide across. Let's see. Okay, so you have right. So you have a whole bunch of slide across still. Okay, right. Now, what I want you to do is to go up to, we're gonna clean everything off the tablet that you have in Kids Place. And the only thing we're gonna put in there is literacy. So we're gonna do literacy and numeracy. Then we're gonna build out the rest of it. So go to the 3 dots up top. Click on them.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are the others seeing that? Oh, you want me? Let me share. I'll share so we're on the same page.
So you press these are the 3 dots now.
Okay, so now here are the 3 dots. Press those 3 dots and touch select apps.
You see, are you seeing it? Like the 3 dots, right?
And you're gonna see select apps. Then you're gonna type in the code, that same code, and that's gonna be your code 7603. When you get that in, click OK.
Right.
Now, when you get to OK, you're gonna come into an area here where you see the apps highlighted with that white bar around, that white frame around them.
Right, I'm seeing that.
Okay, what I want you to do is to touch them and touch those apps and watch them disappear. The white bar disappear. As fast as lightning, and slide to the left and
Just touch all of them.
yes, yes, until they must look like what I'm showing you here. And
Oh,
hold this all the way across until they disappear. All 190 plus of them.
okay.
And right, so so all we're going to be loading today is kids.
Wow.
Oh, we're doing well too. So get rid of all of them for me.
Everybody getting rid of them?
Oh yes, all you have to do is touch them.
Yes.
All of them. Keep sliding from right to left, and touch them. And see how my
Right.
screen is clean?
Yes, that's how all of ours are looking now. Right.
You see how quick? Okay, so what you've done is that you've programmed everything out of Kids Place. Let's see if you're correct. Press done.
Very correct.
When you go to done, all you're supposed to see is a blue screen.
No apps in this category.
No, yeah, but are you seeing anything?
No, sir, blank.
A totally blue screen. Everybody has to see a blue screen. All right, now let's go back where we were. Click on those three dots. Huh?
Done is at the bottom.
Yeah, done is at the bottom.
Done is right. Oh, you didn't press.
Somebody started an app. That's not what we're supposed to be doing.
Yes.
Let me stop. Let me see that tablet. Let me stop. Pardon me?
I was wondering if you think she didn't press all of them, why that those two?
No. She came and actually started the app. Let me stop sharing. Let me see her tablet. Let's see quickly.
Oh, it's
okay, but she's still in Kids Place, right? You see the exit up top?
no, I'm not seeing the exit at the top.
Are you seeing done at the bottom?
Yes, I'm seeing done.
Okay, all right.
Right, this screen is no blank.
Okay, make sure that all of the screens are blank.
Yes, it's blank, right? Yes,
all, not just one. Slide it the same way we were sliding. Slide it back and forth and make sure they're all blank.
Oh, yes. So slide it back and forth and enter that all of them. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right, so we're good. Good. All right, so let me go back now to sharing. Let me go back now and share. Okay. All right. Okay. So now this is where I'm at, right? I touch the three dots, right? And now I'm at select apps. So select apps.
Touch the three dots and press select app.
Yes.
And then type in the code 7603.
7603.
Right. And now we're going to program these apps into Kids Place. Now let me show you the first app that we're looking for. See if you can find, just look at my screen. You see it says A123S ABCS and writing game.
Right.
Okay. See if you can find that and long press it. You're gonna hold it for about 3 seconds, and this screen is going to pop up. Once we do the first two, we're on our way.
That's the capital.
Right, the capital or the uppercase, whatever you call it, A. Long press it, and this screen is gonna pop up. Just hold it.
It's there. It's there. If you scroll, you'll find it. Yes, when you scroll, you find it. Just press it.
And you're gonna get that screen that I have there.
Yes, I have it now. Press. Yes. press it and then this is gonna come up.
Yeah, hold it. Just hold it. Long press is what they call it.
Yes, press it.
For about
Yes,
3
sir.
seconds. 1, 2,
We all
3,
have-
and let go. Okay, so you got that?
Right.
Okay, it depends. Now, if you're holding your tablet long ways up or Patriot this way, and you long press it, you're going to see all of the categories. If you
Right.
hold it that way. If you hold it landscape, which is the other way around, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to see that you have to scroll up to see the other apps. The other categories.
Right.
Okay, so now everything that we're programming into Kids Place now is literacy, right? So now you're not going to long press, you're just going to touch literacy. And it's going to go back to where you were.
Touch it, right, it went back.
Okay, now let me show you what happened if you long press. If you long press, you're going to end up with that. And what you have to do is to press the X and it brings you back here. You program into literacy. And this screen goes back. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to load, right, is the common A.
Okay.
So you long press the common A.
Common A. Right. Same thing came up, right?
Right, then click literacies because we're programming Kids Place.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, got it? Literacy, everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
We're moving along well. Okay, the next one that we're gonna look for now is in B. B-E-E letters, alphabet ABC. It's right on my screen. So look for that app.
B E letters, alphabet ABC.
There you go.
The picture of a bee is on it also.
That's right. There you go.
Don't find it as it. I'm still searching.
Okay.
Oh, I was there. Bumblebee. I'm looking. Okay, what is gonna happen? Bee. Oh my. Anybody find it yet? The phone is on yours? Okay.
You found the bee? The bee?
Yes.
I was seeing it come and show. Maybe your eyeglass showing you something.
Oh, I found it.
Got it?
I found it. B letters, alphabet ABC. Yeah. Or we should just press or long press that one.
Long press and get
Literacy.
right, and then click on literacy.
All right, got it.
All right, so let me do the same thing. Literacy.
Letters.
Okay, so the next one we're looking for now is bingo for kids.
You find it?
Now the bingo for kids.
Let me try and see there, right in your very eye.
Bingo for kids.
It has
Look. Let me find it. I'm coming, Mr. Webb.
No, take your time, take your time. Take your time.
Mr. W, it might be advantageous for them to realize that they're in alphabetical order. That might make it a little easier. For them.
Yes, thanks much. Yes. Sometimes though, when you clean when you clean Kids Place, most of the times, not all of the time, they would stay toward the front of the tablet. Once in a while that would happen, but generally you're right, alphabetical.
Bingo for kids. Now we're looking for bingo for kids.
Right, and B. Bingo for kids.
All right, long press
Right.
and then
bingo,
literate.
right. And bingo for kids is actually an evaluation program.
Tool.
You'll be surprised when you see. Okay. All right. So you got that literacy. Got it?
Right, got it.
Okay,
Everybody got it? You know, good see. All right, let me find it for you.
Let me go back so she could see what it looks like.
Bingo for kids. Yes, go for your glasses.
Got it?
Right, I got it.
Okay. Literacy. And
For
the next one is brilliant spelling.
Brilliant spelling.
Mhm.
Brilliant spelling. Like a bulb, it's a bulb with the letter A on it.
Right. This is where you develop all your you use this app to develop all your super spelling bee. This is
Yeah.
this yeah.
It's a bulb.
this-
A plus. It's a bulb with the A plus on it.
right. Brilliant spelling.
Brilliant spelling. You found it, Mrs.
What's the next one?
Brilliant spelling. That's the one that we want. It is a bulb with a A plus written in red on it. On the bulb.
What's the next one?
Ready?
C.
Yes, sir. Ready.
Okay, this is the next one up there. Kids ABC letters.
Kids ABC letter.
Mm-hmm.
I can't.
Which one is it now? Friend.
We don't find it.
Kids ABC letters. It's at the top. One that has that wrong.
I'm proud of you. Found it.
Okay, literacy.
Yeah.
Okay, and the next one is kids ABC phonics.
Kids ABC phonics. Found it.
Okay, and what about the others? And everything is going into literacy, eh? Got it?
Hold on.
Okay.
Kids ABC four letter. Kids ABC letter and kids ABC phonics. You found it, Mrs. Scott?
Kids ABC phonics.
Kids ABC phonics has a what you call that duck again? A little yellow duck on it. ABC phonics has
A
a little
baby duck.
baby duck. You're talking about letters? Oh.
Kids ABC phonics.
You found it, okay.
All right, so we got it?
Got it, Miss Campbell? Something went on. Come and look at it. Where's something?
Let me see. Let me see.
Got it?
This laptop is back on this page. What do I do to get off this tablet? Sorry.
Pardon me?
What do I do to come off the home page that says Caribbean eBooks Limited Learnit tablet?
Okay, okay. What you have to do now, you gotta click on the icon, the Kids Place icon, and it brings you back into Kids Place. You remember the icon to the right of Caribbean ebook? Learn it. You want me to look? Come look.
Yes, please.
Okay. Let me stop sharing and come look.
Sorry about that.
No, that's not a problem. That's what we're here to do. We're here to, let's see the tablet now.
It's on this page.
Okay, all right, okay, slide up from the bottom for me. Okay, all the way up until you see Kids Place. Everything is alphabetical.
Oh. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
Okay. It has to be there.
Kids, oh, see, I see Kids Place, right?
Okay, okay. I was going to show you how to put it on the front screen so that it's always there, but that's all right. But okay, so remember that and ask me how to do it. Okay, so you're in Kids Place. Click on
Right.
one of those boxes.
Anyone?
Anyone. Then up top, you'll see the three,
Right.
right? Click on that. You're frozen. I have to wait for you. You're frozen. Oh my. You are frozen. Beverly, they're frozen.
It's a challenge sometimes down there with the
Every day.
Wi-Fi.
Every day. I don't understand why they ever even thought, Beverly,
The infrastructure.
that the internet was going to work in the schools. That's why we redesigned Learnit, you know.
Yes. Yes, but the internet is only as strong as what the frequencies that the country, especially in the country parishes, you know what I mean?
Well, the entire Caribbean, except for Barbados and Antigua a little bit, right?
Uh-huh.
The entire Caribbean does not have enough bandwidth. It's nothing like what we have here.
Oh no. Oh no.
Right? So
We are so blessed. I count my blessings
I know
every
it's like having a gallon of water and they're telling you that you got to give everybody a drop from this gallon of water.
Yes.
Well, in a little while, the drop that they would get you wouldn't be able to see.
Nope. That's a perfect analogy, Joe.
Well, my engineering background told me that. So when they were spending all kinds of monies trying to, they just wasted so much resources.
So many
unfortunately.
resources, yes, yeah.
I mean, I saw you frozen and I know you were not in America.
Yes, Mr. W. I found it and I found the ones that were not loading on this one. So I'm on the back on the page.
Okay, all right. So all of them are on now. We all caught up?
Them, right.
All right. So let me just go back and share my screen. Share my screen here.
That was our last one.
Okay. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the last one we did was brilliant spelling, right?
No.
It's ABC phonics.
No, we did ABC phonics.
Right.
Oh, really? We reach all the way there?
Yep.
Okay. So kids ABC trains game.
Oh yes, found it. Kids ABC trains game. The same page with kids AB phonics and letters. Host. They found it. ABC trains game.
Kids ABC trains game.
Because if he comes out of his page, he's gonna have to because I know what to do. I'm a pro on this. Give me a
I
chance.
am telling you, I am telling you. I know I was going to say it, but you said it before me.
I just put 7603. Give me a chance.
Right.
Let me do this. Let me do this. There, you're on it. We have some frustrated children here. Hold on. All right, let me go back to this and I'm going to
Wait until you open those apps and you'll see how exciting it gets and why these children are guaranteed to learn.
Let me see. Kids, over again, kids. It's right here.
Yeah, Kids ABC train game. It's trains game. It's right on my screen there.
You got it, Miss Campbell? We're all on it.
Okay, good. Literacy. And the next one is actually the first one in the sequence. Kids connect the dots.
Kids connect dots. Kids connect dots. It has 3 red circles connected, ABC.
You're finding those quickly.
Oh yes, oh yes. Kids connect the dots.
The 3 dots, see there.
Sit right on.
You know, finding?
Yeah. Make my man. See there, hold it, hold on it, and then you press literacy.
Right, press literacy. Good.
Right. If you have done it,
All right. Next one is kids learn to read.
and that's a turtle with a book. Purple book.
Yep, yep.
A turtle. Turtle with a book. Turtle with a purple book.
What it says?
It says kids learn to read.
Yeah, kids learn to read.
You tell me, say kids learn to sort.
Found it.
Now, kids learn to read. We gotta put in, make sure we find the right apps. Okay, we got it. Ready to move on. Literacy. Click literacy.
Hold on. Not yet.
Not yet? Okay. All right, there it is.
What student that need glasses over here? You found it, Miss Campbell? Good.
Got it?
Got it? Got it, right. We're all on it.
Okay. Literacy. Okay. The next one is kindergarten learning boost workbook.
Kindergarten Learning Boots Workbook. Learning Boots Workbook. And that's a little boy.
Kindergarten learning.
Work. Oh, not on this page. Work.
Anybody buying it?
You ready? Give me a minute, honey. I can clear the face.
Kindergarten learning.
Let me find this word.
I've seen that.
It's right here. I found it. I found it.
Where? Let me see where.
It's right there. Kindergarten learning. Ooh.
Kindergarten. Oh, I'm seeing it.
Guys are having a lot of fun with this, aren't you?
Oh yes, we're loving it.
They're competing.
We're competing.
Wait until you open the apps and you'll see where it gets really exciting.
Let me send it to you.
Go down, go to the next one. Oh.
And watch how you're going to be able to sit back in your class and just watch these kids and say, my goodness, what's going on? Will bring relief.
If I not tell you, so be quiet over there. Where's the literacy? I'm sorry, Mr. W, you're kidding me over here.
Yeah, but y'all not sharing the last with us.
Let's go. Because my choreo can keep on going on the wrong page and I have to sort it out for them because I'm the pro over here.
Okay, well, we've identified that a long time ago, man. Okay, so we ready to move?
You're going forward again.
We ready to move?
Yes, we're ready to move.
Okay. Okay, all right. So the next one is the last one, actually. Phonics read one.
Phonics read one, and that's cat and
Yes,
rat on the
the
page.
cat rat. Yeah.
Cat rat. Lord. Found it.
Yeah. Okay, literacy.
Yes.
Okay, and then click done. Now we click done at the bottom of the screen. Done.
Right. So we see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
Right. I have one that should not be there. Let me just remove it myself. All right. So let me see now. Okay. File manager. How did that get in there? Okay. Let me just remove that.
That's right. You found it, Mrs. Go on the phone, Miss Love. Miss Campbell, find it? In Campbell?
Okay. So here are the 6. Here's the 12 apps.
Right.
Okay. So Miss Morrison, who am I talking with? Who's my lead person there? I thought it was
Miss
Morrison.
Vassal.
Must
Okay.
I press done?
Computer, that's
Should I
right.
just press done?
Yes, press done.
Miss Vassal. Okay, good. Okay, Miss Vassal. So check for me and make sure we have those 12.
I have 13.
Miss Grandma.
So then you're gonna have to click those 3 dots and go back and remove the square from around that one. So make sure you could identify which one it is.
What should I do? Oh, barnyard animals. We never do that one. No, so I'm not sure why it is on it.
Right. So what you have to do now is to press the 3 dots up top.
Yes.
Right, like that. Then go to select apps. That's the
Yes.
process. Then type in 7603. Hit OK,
Yes.
and then find it.
Yes,
Just
sir.
scroll until did you find it yet?
Yes, I find it.
Just touch it, and that's it. It's gone. And once you touch it and it's gone, click done, and you'll come back to the screen.
Awesome. Awesome. I passed that test.
Okay, all right. So now what we're going to do, you can actually click on there. You notice that there's a little folder between exit and the 3 dots. You can click on that. And when you click on that, you're going to see others, right?
Yes.
Okay, so keep sliding from left to right. You see arts and music. You'll see dictionary. You see games. You see grammar. You see languages and literacy.
Yes. Yes.
You are 4 players. I know mine. No, this is not mine. This is mine. Look
Okay.
good.
So
Yes.
we're working in the category. Now there's another easy way to find it. You could have gone to the 3 dots and then read down until you see where it says show category list. Then you click on show category list and it brings that up.
And go on the 3 dots, go on show category list.
Right. Then click on show category list and you end up with this screen. And
Right.
now you just click on literacy and you're there. That's even faster. Okay. Or you could slide across. All right. So here we are now. And it's time for us to quit, but let's just open one app. Let's open the first app.
First app.
Okay, let me tell you the first app in the sequence is Kids Connect the Dots.
No.
Uh-uh.
1, 2, 3, ABC.
Yes.
No. The first app in the sequence.
Oh,
They're
oh,
not in the sequence there. I have to give you the sequence. The
Oh,
sequence is in the toolkit. But I am going to, that's why I want you to give me immediately, maybe as soon as we finish this, set up the WhatsApp page. You could put my name and somebody else's number until you get the rest of the stuff. Let me send you this material. You need it. Okay. Connect is the first app in the sequence.
Kids Connect, that is the first app in the sequence, right?
Right. So touch that, open it, touch it. And you're going to see the same screen I'm seeing here.
IntelliJoy, yeah.
It's going to open and you're going to see preferences and this giraffe.
Yes, let's see. Oh, I'm waiting on my colleagues.
Wow, you're so much faster than them. How is that?
Love it. New group.
Why did you go in before you share?
So, Miss Vassal, you have my number?
I'm gonna get it right now, sir.
Okay.
Go right ahead, Mr. W. Go right ahead.
Okay, all right. So there is a big circle to the left of preferences, but we're not going to touch that yet. I want you to look at preferences. Click on preferences.
All right, you can give me the number, sir.
617 708 4483. 617 708 4483. Okay, great. You got it. All right, my WhatsApp. Okay, so I clicked on preferences and I have caption. I have uppercase ABC, lowercase ABC, numbers 1, 2, 3. Now you would notice when you go through these apps that we're teaching numbers and letters or literacy and numeracy at about the same time, even though we're running them on separate tracks. Right? But we can't leave numbers behind letters. All right, okay.
Right.
So click on numbers and you would notice that you get that blue circle.
Right.
Click on lowercase, you get that. So wherever that blue circle is, that is the app that is going to open. That's the area within the app. Let me say that correctly. That is going to open. Now scroll up and you will see different settings. Right?
Yes.
Now you would not have known that if we didn't do this. Okay. All right. So I think you're set up like me, where you got after 3 seconds is what I have set. Sound effects is on, name the image is on, play sound when puzzle is done is on, and I have voice for 1, 2, 3. All right. So now let's look at what we're doing here now. So we're gonna work on uppercase ABC. So click on that and then go to the arrow towards the left.
Right. Those are what he's talking about now.
Go to the arrow towards the left, and now we're not going back to preferences. We're gonna click on that circle with the arrow right to the left of preferences.
Okay, that play.
And then what are you seeing there?
Animals, music, food.
Animals, music, food.
Toy, seed, school, assorted objects.
Right. So you see all of that. Okay. So which one you want to play? Because this is identifying the letters in the alphabet, and we're having them identifying the letters, and they don't need to know the alphabet.
Food. I want to go with food.
Okay.
School. All right, so we're going on school.
Okay. All right.
Which one are you going on?
School.
We went to school. Go to anyone, but school, okay, that's all right. Now you notice the letters there, right?
Right.
Look at the A, and you notice the A is colored differently. And that's your starting point. Okay. Now,
A.
I cannot connect to anything else but the right letter.
B.
Oh,
C.
So that is how they're going to learn the letters.
D. E. F.
This is one way, right?
oh. And this is I have numbers on my screen.
Well, because you could go back and you could set it for numbers, or you could set it for uppercase and lowercase letters.
Oh, but when I keep going back, all the numbers are getting more.
Okay, you want to be able to do that? Touch the house. Touch the house.
Oh, the house, yes. And then I go on
Okay.
ABC.
Touch the house again.
I'm touch the house again.
Right, and then go to preferences,
Right, preferences.
and then click on uppercase ABC.
Oh, uppercase ABC. And go back on the arrow.
We'll go back on the arrow, right? So you could do numbers and letters for this. So we teach them numbers this way and teach them letters this way. And there's several apps that really helps them. Go ahead, okay.
A, B.
So, okay, so which one, AB, so school, click on school. And A is always going to light up.
So the letters are highlighted.
No, just the first letter is highlighted.
But then it shows you, it highlights the one that you go to next.
No, if you go to the wrong one, it doesn't highlight it.
Oh.
B.
But as soon as you go to the correct one, it highlights the one that you go to next.
And yes, and if you're slow, it will highlight for you.
Oh, I see that green arm.
If you're slow, it would highlight for you. But you right. But if you're fast enough, it won't.
Superb.
Yes, yes.
So.
But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. They're still going to be learning that. Okay. So now let's go to look at your left arrow, and let's look at something really complicated. Go to the left arrow and click it once. And you see how complex it gets?
Wow, more letters.
Okay, so you start off.
D, F, G, I, J,
Oh, it's nice.
O, Q,
So you
Yeah.
okay. All right. So you see what happens to this app, right?
Right.
Okay. All right. So it's time for you to go.
Yes.
Yes, I figured that. It's 5:11. Okay. But okay, so please let me send you the app sequence for the math. And then we're going to go into these apps, and they're going to blow your mind. And it is so easy for these children to learn. Just touch and listen and do it and learn it.
Yes.
But the teacher has to set them up. And what you need to know is not a lot. Not a lot.
My colleague has a question.
Okay, colleague, let me stop. Let me stop sharing. Let me.
Good evening or afternoon. If I
Okay.
want one of these tablets personally, how would I get it?
Very easily. Very, very easily. Number one, it's on sale in Jamaica at Kingston Bookshop.
I am in Trelawney.
So could you put some in Sangster's bookshop in Montego Bay?
Well, call them and tell them. They'll get it to you, man.
Kingston bookshop. Oh, that's hard.
So what's the price range?
Well, they'll have to tell you that.
Thank you very much, sir.
And there are two sizes, eh? There is the 8-inch and there's a bigger screen, 10.1-inch screen.
Anything
But-
in the make for teachers?
Yes, and I will tell you how to, I'll give you Miss May's number. I'll put it in the chat.
Like teachers, like
Yes, yes, they have a,
anything,
yes, they have a,
not for saying, you know, like any token.
yes, there's a teacher's discount.
Oh.
Yeah. So yeah, we have a program for teachers that's separate too, but you'll have to get it directly from Miss Mayers. And I'll
Right.
tell you how to do that.
All right, thank you very much.
Okay.
So, Mr. Webb, on behalf of the principal and teachers at the Waldensia Primary and Infant School, we want to say thank you for taking us through our first, what do you call it again?
Orientation session.
Our first orientation session. We wish we could stay longer for you to blow our minds because we're loving it. So we are hoping to meet you again for our next session.
Well, yeah, you have three more 1 hour sessions. So try and organize those as quickly as possible.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for staying back and save some mangoes for me, please.
No problem. You will get those. Just come to Waldensia.
Okay, I definitely will.
Tell us when you're coming and we'll fix you up.
Good. Definitely want some mangoes, man. Definitely. Oh my goodness.
Jamaica, no problem, huh?
Oh, my goodness.
What a wonderful bunch of people.
You are marvelous. I'm telling you, you're so wonderful.
Yeah,
Yes.
this has been my experience.
Your
Wonderful.
students are lucky to have you, let me tell you.
I know.
They're blessed to have us.
Yes.
All right, so I'll work on your video.
Okay, sir. Thank you again. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
you,
I'm
everybody.
ending now.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
But I'm seeing, I am calling you Morrison because I'm seeing Morrison there.
But I'm Vass. I sent you a message on WhatsApp, so I'm gonna create that group for us, the teachers and
Okay, so you're not Morrison.
Vassal.
Okay, all right. So I'm going by
I'm
the
just
name.
using Morrison's tablet.
Okay,
laptop,
good.
sorry.
Okay, all right. So put that note in the tablet, in the thing. And Vassal, that's your last name? That's your last name? Vassal?
Correcto.
Okay, all right. V-A-S-S-L-E, V-A-W-S-E-L?
Vassell.
Oh, okay, I got it. Okay, let me give you an extra L and remove one of the S's. Okay, got it. All right, have a great afternoon, everyone.
You too. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
All righty.